There is a sweet spot where knowing what to do for your health turns into action, and that action becomes a lasting habit for your health. It lies somewhere between that action being boring and being overwhelming. This is also called the stress performance curve, or it also could be called the Goldilocks principle. It's when you find that in between spot where something is not so challenging that it's not doable, but it's challenging enough in a way that connects with what's important to you, what you value most. When you find that sweet spot, you end up just taking action and you tap into your natural motivation. Finding that kind of simplicity is a superpower. One of the most important ways that we can apply this principle is with exercise. We know it's important, but recent studies show that only 33% of people are meeting the recommended amounts. And it's probably less than that because that report was done on self report. And most people over report what they're doing for exercise. It's pretty clear that we have not found that sweet spot yet for exercise to become something that we can really use to be healthy. Most people either say, I don't have time, or it's just boring, or it's overwhelming and expensive and exhausting. Life is complicated, so we need exercising to be simple. But we don't want it to be so simple that we lose the effectiveness of it. Science has certainly tried to make it simple. We found that just getting 150 minutes of exercise or physical activity a week can provide great health benefits. We've broadened the definition of exercise to physical activity and any movement. And we have step counters and step goals, all in an effort to help people make exercise part of their lifestyle. The problem is, in simplifying this, we've lost its effectiveness. We've lost the skills to move well. We're missing out on the specific benefits that restore our ability to feel and function our best from exercise right now and as we age. And in simplifying it to step goals or recommended minutes, we've also stripped what makes it important enough to keep it a priority. We've made it into a box to check or a task, not a form of self care, which is what exercise is supposed to be. This lets us get to the root cause of the problem with exercise. Getting to the root cause simplifies finding a solution that actually works. This kind of simplicity is a superpower. When you find that sweet spot between simple but effective, important but doable, you can make exercise something that is naturally motivating and a resource for feeling and functioning your best every day. So, in this Simplify series, we'll get to the heart of the problem and use evidence from both movement science and motivation science to redefine exercise as whole person self care. So, it's both doable enough to be used when life gets complicated and something that you can use to feel and function your best, even when life gets stressful. I'll share tips on how to use this information so that you can eliminate the barriers of pain, stress, time, finances, or just not feeling motivated. So get ready to unleash your superpower of simplicity by knowing how you can use exercise to feel and function your best, especially when life gets stressful. Because isn't that at the heart of what it means to be healthy and well? Join me by signing up for my mailing list on exercisingwell.com and connecting with me on social media.